Hello and welcome back to this channel. My name is Shreyas Yadav, Mathematics faculty. Today I am going to discuss a very important question in trigonometric. So the question is, if y is equal to sin x plus cosec x whole square plus cos x plus sec x whole square, then the minimum value of y where x belongs to real number. The options are 7, 3, 9 and 0. So my dear students, first of all, what is given that y is equal to sin x plus cosec x whole square plus cos x plus sec x whole square. सबसे पहले हम इसमें कर क्या सकते हैं? We can apply the a plus b whole square. तो बहुत ही सिंपल सी बात है, just apply the a plus b whole square and what you are getting you can write here in your comment box, cosec square x. a plus b whole square आपको comment box में फॉर्मूला लिखना है and plus 2 times sin into cosec. अब sin into cosec 1 होता है, so I will write here only 2. Okay, cos x plus sec x whole square becomes cos square x plus sec square x plus 2 cos x into sec x is 1. Okay, तो अब बच्चों यहां पे आप देख पा रहे हैं कि ये साइन स्क्वायर एक्स, यहाँ पे कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स, ये 1 हो जाएगा. तो 1 प्लस 2 प्लस 2 टोटल इज 4. सो y इज इक्वल टू 4, सॉरी टोटल इज 5 प्लस कॉसेक स्क्वायर एक्स प्लस सेक स्क्वायर एक्स. अब मुझे बताइए कि व्हाट वी कैन राइट. cosec square x is what? is nothing but 1 by sin and sec square x is nothing but 1 by cos. अच्छा, स्क्वायर से इसलिए स्क्वायर लगेंगे वहां पर, सो इट बिकम्स 5 प्लस 1 अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर एक्स प्लस 1 अपॉन cos square x. Understood? Now what I can do is I will take the LCM of it. So LCM makes here sin square x into cos square x and here we'll get cos square x plus sin square x. बच्चों sin square x plus cos square x everyone knows it is 1, so you can write it as 5 plus 1 upon sin square x means what? sin x into cos x whole square. sin x into cos x whole square, just focus on sin x into cos x. बच्चों क्या हम इसे एक सिंगल ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं? Yes. If we will do multiplication of 2 over here, so that it will get converted into single trigonometric. So y will be same as 5 plus 1 divided by sin x into cos x whole square. So what I will do here, I will take here 2, but multiplying 2 means 2 square, that is 4. So here you need to multiply here by 4. Understood? Okay, so it becomes 5 plus 4 upon sin 2x whole square, and sin 2x whole square is only belongs to 0 to 1 because sin x is between sin theta is basically between -1 to 1, so sin square theta will be between 0 to 1. तो sin 2x का वैल्यू जो होगा वो sin 2x, basically we have to see the square, it is always belongs to 0 to 1 and we have to find out the minimum value, so that I will take this denominator because it is in denominator, so I have to make it maximize. इसको maximize करना पड़ेगा. तो sin 2x whole square maximum is what? 1. So I'll take that maximum value, so we'll get minimum here. So 5 plus 4 by 1, that will be equals to 1 square is basically 1, so 5 plus 4 that is 9. So y minimum is what? 9. तो इसलिए हमारा कौन सा ऑप्शन सही होगा? C option is the correct one. If you have understood this video, so please do like and subscribe my channel to get new video. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching everyone.